What's up, everyone? This is your boy Jermaine, back on another video. We're just like squeezing through traffic right now, trying to get on the other side of town. So I thought I would just talk about my day so far today. Man, today was pretty chill. You know, these apps are just nothing what they used to be. But I don't know. You kind of make the best of it, you know? Like, it still beats having a job, I tell you. Wow, man, those people are out here at work. I'm gonna go first. Yeah, so with the apps, I don't know, like, it's like if you make $100 in a day, that's good. If you make 150, that's better. If you make 2, that's even better. But it's just not like it used to be. I remember back in the day, man, you could just jam out all day. And now it's, you have these like long periods of time. You have these like long periods of time where like there's like nothing going on, you know, and you're just like bored. So what I started to do, you know, with all the free time, and this is something that a lot of carriers should probably, you know, think about is, you know, since you got all this free time, maybe you should look for other opportunities. And I'm not talking about just go look for jobs. That might not be a bad idea either. You know, to go like look for something else to do. But what I'm thinking about is just like, you know, maybe just working for more apps and stuff like that. Looking online, looking for new apps to work for. I gotta get over here. Yeah, it's like actually traffic here today. You know, it's maybe another 2 weeks, it'll be Thanksgiving. So, you know, one thing to remind people if you're working, like, you know, Thanksgiving, Christmas, I have no idea what it's gonna be like this year. Usually before the pandemic, I remember like working like Thanksgiving and Christmas, and it was not busy. Now on the flip side, for the past 2 years, it kind of has been busy because of the lockdowns. You know, the last year we had lockdowns for Christmas and Thanksgiving, and then the year before last we had lockdowns for Christmas and Thanksgiving. So it was a little bit different to get those jobs back then. But now since things are back open, and then also since inflation has went like bananas, and there's more people working, I just don't know how busy it's gonna be. You know, I'm pretty sure it'll definitely be some action, but it might be like, you know, you work all day and you make like $100, or it could be you work all day and you make 300. But I know for sure there's a lot of people that they usually leave the city for the holidays. Now, once again, it wasn't like that for the past 2 years because, you know, with the lockdowns and all that. We're gonna actually go this way. We're gonna go see what, man, it looks like they're paving the streets out here or something. Yeah, that's just one thing to, you know, remind people. Also, like FedEx and UPS. These sites are usually, not sites, these jobs are usually hiring for the holidays. But the problem with getting a job at FedEx or UPS for the holidays, it might actually be a little too late right now. Just because of, you know, it's already November. I think if you want to get one of those jobs, you probably should have been looking like last month. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of action going on in Union Square right now. Wow, they're like repaving the roads. So the Christmas shoppers come in, you know, pretty soon. And when the Christmas shoppers come in, you know, I guess they want the roads to look all nice and stuff. Hey, if you're watching this video for the first time, the roads, like, they don't look this bad normally. They look all... I actually didn't think it looked bad at all, but I'm pretty sure they're doing it for the holidays to make it look all nice, so people can come spend that money. Let's keep cruising. Wow, it's just like off-roading, like for real. We're like about to make this block here. I actually have to meet someone to pick up something and deliver it, but I'm like 10 minutes early. So I thought I would make a little video talking about my day. talk about what's going on, and see if I could, you know, give anyone any tips, you know. Oh, so other things you should probably do, since you have a lot of time in your spare time, I would say like look for gigs. And I'm gonna keep it real, I'll talk to one other carrier. I don't know why carriers don't think about this. This is not actually, it's not something bad to do. But yo, if you are a carrier and you just out all day and you're bored the majority of the day, right? Like if you're in between orders, you 30 minutes before the next order, man, do something creative, I would say. Like try to do something creative, try to read a book, try to do some exercise or something, try to do some stretching. Hey, make some reels, yo. Start making reels, dude. I mean, all of y'all got a phone, you know? And to make reels on a phone, it's super easy. Upload them just to Instagram. Make one reel, upload it to Instagram, upload it to Facebook, upload it to YouTube, right? Upload one reel to all of them. I mean, that's what I do, you know? And then on one of them platforms, you might have one reel do good, you know? Or not. But you know, eventually you'll probably catch something that will go, that'll be popular, that'll pick up some steam, you know? So I would say like get creative. You know, if you if you can't do 20 push-ups, you got a lot of time in between these shifts, like try it out, you know? If you if you want to get through an audio book, yo, perfect day, yo. You can jam out with audiobooks all day with these jobs, especially how dead it is now. Now, for the people that want to make money, I don't really know what to say, honestly. I mean, the easiest thing I can say is cut the app on, go out and work. I mean, that's easier said than done, you know. I was talking to one delivery guy today, and I talked to him about an hour ago. Right now it's close to 5 o'clock. I talked to him about an hour ago, and he was telling me that he's already, he was at 250 already for the day, right? And I remember seeing him out this morning at like 7, right? And then I was talking to another delivery dude. I think he said he's been out since like 9 or 10 or something. And homeboy said that he's only at like $65. And I'm like, dang, yo, only at $65. So like if I say the reason why I say this, I don't know what to say, because like, yeah, both of them had the app on, but obviously one got much better orders than the other one. One thing I really like to do is I like to move around, because I feel like if you stay in the same spot, the app like knows that you're in the same spot, and if someone else is moving around, they get like priority. You know, that's kind of how I feel like how the apps work sometimes. And the reason why I say that, because sometimes like, I'll be on one order and I'll go drop it off, and then I'll go pick up the next order, right? But as I'm on the way picking up that next order, I noticed that I'm walking up to the restaurant and there's like 3 delivery people standing outside the restaurant. And I'm just wondering, like, well, why didn't it give the order to them? I had to, you know, come all the way here, and these delivery people are probably already standing out here, you know? So that's why I say sometimes move around. You know, I have certain spots I kind of hang out at in the city, and I notice sometimes the apps don't go off there. I may be there for like 5-10 minutes. The apps don't give me no pings or anything. And since they don't give me any pings, sometimes I'll like, you know, jump on the bike and like maybe ride around the circle, or like go around the block or something. And that way the app will see like, oh, you're still moving, you know, instead of like you're just on, but you haven't moved in like 30 minutes, you know. But yeah, you're on the app, but you haven't moved in 30 minutes. Oh wow, why is that car being so mean to the biker? Oh, that biker's crazy. That's how you ride a bike out here, yo. It's crazy too. I actually need to go down like, I need to go down on 4th. I'm gonna like take this street this way. Cool. Yeah, I need to just go like over here on 4th. Yes. But you know, today was a chill day. What did I have for lunch? Hey, check this out. So I went to Panda Express today. And Panda Express got this thing where, like, you know, they got the Beyond Chicken Pack. But they also got this deal where if you... I actually need to go this way. If you get a $30 gift card, they will give you a free, they'll give you a free bowl, right? Rice and an entree. So what I did was I just got, you know, the $30 gift card so I can get the free entree. And like companies will do that because like basically like you're paying them money and they're just gonna give you back food at a later date. So they already got the money, you know? So that's why companies do that. Gosh, it's actually busy out here right now. Like, it kind of feels good. Yeah, I need to cough a little bit. I'm gonna get right back to the video because I'm gonna, like I said, I gotta go pick up some stuff and then drop it off. All right. So yeah, that was my day. You know, I had Panda Express. You know, I got that gift card, so I got the free bowl. And then after the bowl, I got another $30 with the gift card, you know. I think you're supposed to give the gift card to someone else, but I just got the gift card so I can get that free bowl and I can use the gift card later, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm out. I gotta go up in here, find someone. So I'll see y'all later. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Today was a chill day. Peace out, yo.